How's the face mask situation in your country? It's a rare item here. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to sew a breathe easy face mask with materials that I have lying around my house. I'm going to use non-woven fabric as they have dust filtration properties. They are lightweight and breathable. You probably have some at your house. They're the same material that makes clothing storage bags, or you know that white bag that protects your leather bags? It's probably made from this fabric. So you just make sure that you find one that is not too thick. They are called non-woven because the fabric is formed by melted fibers, and they create this messy web-like structure which gives it its filtering property. For the outer fabric, I'm using a nose scarf. It's made of gauze-like fabric, which is not going to filter anything, but it's going to make the mask easy to breathe through and also add some cuteness to it. The wire thing that mows around the nose, you can use twist ties or just harvest them from your old mask. You also need 2 strands of elastic band, about 30 to 32 centimeters each. To make the pattern, you take an A4 sheet of paper and you measure 20 centimeters from the short sides and just tear it off, and that is your pattern. I've cut out the non-woven piece and I'm using it to cut out the scarf piece. Gauze fabric is very shifty, so use lots of pins. You can do 2 pieces of non-woven if you want. Then your mask becomes 3-ply. We're going to sew the top area of the mask. Pin the 2 pieces together. The good side of the gauze fabric is facing upwards here. Now we do a double fold on the bottom side and sew it in place. So you do that for both the non-woven and the gauze piece. So this part will become the pockets opening. In case you want to add more filters, you can just stick it inside. Flip them to the correct side and top stitch the top area so that it lays flat. We will insert the wire. So don't do what I'm doing now. I placed the wire under the gauze layer and it tried to escape after I sew up the whole mask. So you place the wire under the seams and then we will sew it in place with the zipper foot. To create the pleats, I fold down 5 centimeters from the top and pin the fold in place. Then I create an overlap of 1.5 centimeters. So the first pleat will have an overlap that is a bit wider to incorporate the height of your nose. So pin this whole pleat in place and move on to the second pleat. We do the same thing but with a 1 centimeter fold and a 1 centimeter overlap. And this goes for the last pleat. So when you wear it and you pull the pleats open, the bottom part should go past your chin for like 2.5 centimeters like that. You end up with a rectangle that is 9.5 centimeters tall. We will stitch the pleats in place and also zigzag the edges in place. For the elastic band, we will create a slot. So we just wrap it around like a sausage roll and sew the sides in place. So don't sew on the elastic band. Don't sew on this. Don't sew on this. After that, just tie the ends together and the mask is done. Some people like to add more filter or they want to change out the filter because after a while the mask stinks, I think. So they put tissue paper, like Kleenex, inside the face mask. So that's what the pocket is for. So I hope you like this video and stay healthy, everyone. Bye!